potential business with Tanzania, Your Excellency, we have signed a contract to use the Central Corridor. We expect to use the port of Mwanza and Dar es Salaam for transporting our inputs and exports. Allow me, Your Excellency, to applaud Tanzania Port Authority, Tanzania Railway Corporation, Uganda Railway Corporation, and the respective tax authorities and standard bodies for their unreserved services to ensure smooth business.
Yeah, Mzee Lalani talked of the challenges, various challenges in transporting, but other various challenges in investment, of which it is my government's commitment and my own commitment to work on all those challenges so as to smoothen the running of this business and other businesses in our region. So may God bless the business and the family. Thank you very much for listening to me. We are waiting for you in Tanzania. Thank you very much.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.